Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, we have discussed the method how to make the sentence in present perfect tense. So today we will start past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense. And today in our planner it is our task to solve exercise number 6, which is related to these type of tenses. Okay, but before starting the exercise, just take a look how to make and what is the ways to identify the past perfect tense. अगर हम उर्दू में इसकी पहचान देखें तो उर्दू में हम देखते हैं चुका था, यानी कोई चीज़ किसी काम की कंप्लीशन है लेकिन पास्ट में. ठीक है, चुका था, चुकी थी वगैरह. सॉरी, ओके, चुका था, चुकी थी, कर लिया था. तो ये सारे जो वर्ड्स हैं ये पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में आते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ हाउ टू मेक द प्रेजेंट द what helping verb is used in the past perfect tense. It is had. Okay, and the formation to make this sentences: subject, then had, then third form of verb, and in the last it is object. Okay, similarly if it is a negative sentence you will write subject, had not, and then third form and so on. Okay, and if it is an interrogative sentence, in interrogative sentence you will write had in the starting, the helping verb, after the subject and the third form, and at the last you will write object or the other part of the sentence. Okay, like if we have to translate the sentence मैं काम मुकम्मल कर चुका था. Then sorry, it is not a question sentence, interrogative sentence. So you will write I had done my work. Okay, similarly I had not done my work, had I done my work. Similarly, okay, in the past perfect tense there is another concept. If the sentence has to sentence is a compound sentence, like मैंने पहले ही काम, या जब हम स्कूल पहुंचे तो घंटी बज चुकी थी. अगर ये सेंटेंस देखा जाए तो इसमें दो बातें हो रही हैं. ठीक है, दो सेंटेंस है, एक है घंटी बजना और एक है स्कूल पहुंचना. ठीक है, तो आप उसमें ट्रांसलेट किस तरह से करेंगे? इन दैट कंडीशन if the sentence is a compound sentence, then you will translate the part that is in the past perfect, or the that is showing the completion of anything. You will start it with the you will translate into the past perfect tense form, and that sentence that is not that is not completed, you will translate into past indefinite sentence. Like if I have sentence जब हम स्कूल पहुँचे तो घंटी बज चुकी थी. In this sentence the completion of the task is घंटी बज चुकी थी. ये काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है. ठीक है, ये भी कंप्लीट नहीं बाद में, ये चुका था वाली जो फॉर्म है इसको आप करेंगे. ये कंप्लीशन सेंटेंस की हो रही है तो उसको आप पहले लिखेंगे द बेल, या पहले लिखें या बाद में, इसका कोई फ़र्क नहीं, लेकिन इसको आप पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. ठीक है, द बेल हैड रंग. आफ्टर दिस व्हेन we reached school, to school or school, at school. Okay, we reached at school or we reached school. The bell had rung. You have translated it into the past perfect tense form, and the other part of the sentence is translated into past indefinite form. Similarly students, there is a task for you. You will translate all these sentences according to the rule. Okay students, and learn the concept. Okay student, take care. Allah Hafiz.